Hi guys, my name is Sur. Welcome back to another video. Today, right now, I am in the Shenzhen Huaqiang North and near the Huaqiang North metro station. Huaqiang North metro station is located in that way. After you arrive, you just come out from here and you can just come in this place to see robots. Most of people are nearly asking me where they can see the robots. It's in here, near the SEC building, Huaqiang North A exit. Now we will be experiencing some of the robots in here. Let's go. So these places have two areas, one of over there and one of in here. Let's go inside from this one. Once you get inside, you can see industrial drone in here. This kind of drone can be help you in the seaside like this. If someone having issues, this drone just can take this one to the inside of the sea. And also here have parts of the drone. Look at this, it's huge. Also in this place you can see this kind of helicopter. There are too many industrial type of drones in here. And here have one of the most famous e-tool in here. Most of people want to come to China, Shenzhen City, want to see this one. You can see this one inside of the Huaqiang North. Look at this. This is the future. In the future, we will be travel with this in China. And probably you guys can travel in another country too. But in China, it looks so soon. Look at here. And another one over there, we will see it. Not just that, there are too many interesting products in here. Look at this. If you are really in this kind of industry, you must need to visit in here, and you can see many kind of things in this place. It's in Shenzhen Huaqiang North, and we are traveling to another site right now. And there are also too many small robots in here. Look at this. There are also many drones in here that you can come and buy. Too many drones. You can even see some kind of these robots in here. If you want to experience this kind of robot, you must need to come to Huaqiang North. We have another EV tool in here. You can just come and experience from here. Look at this. It's just amazing. There are also big brands in here like TGI and Huawei. You can come here for shopping too. Like I say, EV tools everywhere inside of the Huaqiang North. Look at this. You can just come here and experience something like this in here. Look at this, it looks good. Maybe can we go up of this one? I mean, they just make it, right? So actually you can look, this one is more closer than another sites. So it will be something like this in the future. Like movie. You will just take your plane and go somewhere with it. Isn't it look so good? I mean, it's just amazing. Personal EV tool. Like you are saying your friend, I'm just flying right now and coming to find you. I mean, it's just amazing. This Huaqiang North is totally amazing. You cannot see something like this in another country. This whole street, all about the electronic products, components, everything you can find in here. Everything is possible to find in here. You can come here, make a brand new computer from scratch in half hour. It's just amazing. It's just an amazing place. You can see drones everywhere flying around in here. This is Huaqiang North, Shenzhen, China. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.